Related literature or review of related literature. Ito natin is corporate brand image, customer satisfaction, and loyalty to selected coffee shops in Makati City by Forbes 2018. So, this is of reviewed literature. Sa madaling salita, ito yung summary ng RRL natin. Pwedeng ito is parang narrative style, proponents, o yung mga tao at year ng pinagkuhanan niya ng mga RRL, kaya ganito yung mapapansin nyo. Okay? The review of related literature and studies has an implication on the present study. All reviews were focused on the corporate brand image, customer satisfaction, and loyalty. The researchers and works of different writers and authors like Nazir, Ali, and Jamil. So, ayan yung mga kasama nila about dun sa topic na yun. Okay, various findings prove that brand image has either direct or indirect impact to customer satisfaction. Nandiyan naman yung mga proponents. So, sa gap bridge natin, sa madaling salita, from gaps bridge, ibig sabihin, ano yung pupunuan? Okay, idaragdag ng ating pag-aaral. So, tingnan natin mabuti. From the above review of related literature and studies, the following gaps were determined.